Whether you're an inspiring content creator or you are just wondering, how do I start my own YouTube channel in 2025? You are definitely in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to start up a YouTube channel, a successful YouTube channel in 2025. The first thing I'll be talking about is setting up your YouTube channel. And if you have not created your YouTube channel, you can just click on create channel and it's going to show you how to create a YouTube channel. Then how to create a YouTube channel is very simple. They are going to ask you, do you want this account to be a personal account or you want it to be a business account? I would advise you use a business account because of the flexibility. After creating your channel, you need to verify your account. Why do we even need to verify our account? You need to verify your account because it helps YouTube know that you are the owner of this account. Verifying your account simply means that you are confirming your identity with YouTube, and confirming your identity with YouTube has a lot of benefits. It helps you go live streaming on YouTube. You can post video longer than 15 minutes on YouTube. You can also appeal for content claim. If somebody starts using your content on YouTube, you can actually appeal to YouTube that this particular video is mine, and I don't know who is using my video. That is not me. Then YouTube is going to look into it. Another benefit of verifying your account is you can upload your own custom thumbnail. The thumbnail you created by yourself, you can upload it after verifying your account. If you do not verify your account on YouTube, you cannot post your thumbnail. YouTube is just going to post their own thumbnail from your video, from a scene of your video. They're going to use that as your thumbnail. So you just need to verify your account. It's very, very important to verify your account on YouTube. And secondly, I'll be talking about choosing the perfect name and description for your YouTube channel. Your name and your description plays a very vital role on your YouTube channel because it's the first thing viewers sees when they come to your channel. So why do you need to choose the perfect name and description for your YouTube channel? Let me talk about the name first. When choosing a name, make sure it is easy to remember. We don't want complicated name. Make sure the name is very easy. And secondly, make it relevant to your niche. Your name must be so relevant to your niche. Let's imagine that you're talking about money. You can put your name and put a word related to money after your name so that whenever viewers see your post, they'll know that okay, this particular niche, this particular channel is based on finances. The next thing, we don't need name that is too long and complicated. We don't need that. So make sure your name is easy to remember, relevant to your niche, and also not too long and complicated. And for your description, there are three questions it must answer. When writing your description, there are three questions you should ask yourself when writing your description, which is one, what is my channel all about? That's the first question you should ask yourself. Then answer it in your description. The next thing is to ask yourself, who is my channel for? Answer the question and add it to your description. Then the last thing is, why should my viewers, why should subscribers subscribe to my channel? When you answer these three questions, you should be able to write a very good description for your YouTube channel. Now, the next thing is choosing the perfect niche. Choosing a perfect niche is a little bit complicated because there are lots and lots of niche online. But what and how do you choose the perfect niche? The first thing I want you to do is to choose something that you are passionate about. Choose something that you can make hundred of video without getting bored. Choose something that you love doing. When you choose a niche that you are passionate about, when you choose something that you love so much, you are not going to get tired on YouTube. Even if your growth is slow, you are not going to get tired. You are going to continue posting and uploading your videos on YouTube. So make sure you choose a niche based on your interests. Choose a niche based on what you love, what you like doing. But along the line, you can actually switch to another niche if it's not working out for you. But at first, make sure you choose what you are passionate about. This way, you are going to grow on YouTube in 2025. And lastly, I'll be talking about basic SEO for YouTube. YouTube is a search engine where people come up here for solution to their problem. You know, you want to cook jollof rice, but you don't know how to cook jollof rice. You come up on YouTube and start asking YouTube, I want to make Nigerian jollof rice. Please give me video on how to make Nigerian jollof rice. And YouTube is going to suggest so many creators that have actually posted videos on jollof rice. But this is what you need to know. If you do not impute the keywords of your video in your um description, title and tag, YouTube is not going to understand what your video is all about. Now let's say that I'm posting this my video as a tutorial for beginner YouTubers. Then my keyword is going to be new YouTubers, how to grow on YouTube. I'm going to add those keywords that will make searching for my video very easy for my viewers. So you need to optimize your SEO, because SEO means search engine optimization. You need to know how to use this thing. First of all, search for your keyword in your niche. Search for keywords that you can impute on your title, your description, and your tag. This is going to help YouTube understand what your video is all about. This is going to help your viewers also when they come online and search for what they want. Your video is going to be among those YouTubers video that is going to pop up. So if you want YouTube to suggest your video to people when they come up here to search, you need to optimize your SEO very, very well. This way you are going to grow fast. So let's do a quick recap on what I've said so far. The first thing I said was setting up your YouTube channel. The next thing is creating a perfect channel name and description. The third thing is choosing a niche. And lastly, basic SEO on YouTube. So if you watch this video till the end, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more YouTube tips.